huli, bago ko matanggap yung papel galing kay Ms. Maslog, anong impormasyon ang ibinahagi ni Guo Huaping nung debriefing? Para isang huling pagkakataon mula sa inyo na kayo ang sumagot sa komite at hindi lang yung isusulat ni Ms. Maslog.
Your Honors, meron pong nire-reveal si Miss Alice na ongoing po yung validation namin sa ngayon. At hindi ko po pwedeng maisabi dito sa publiko dahil po baka makompromise lang yung lakad po. Marami pa pong vital information na ibinigay niya sa atin na kailangan pa po namin talagang i-revalidate, and aside from that, hindi pa po ito cleared as in na for public consumption. Kaya po ako humihingi ng if possible, pupunta po ako dyan para sasabihin po sa inyong lahat kung anong ongoing na investigation na ginagawa pa po namin ngayon.
Madam
For the
Chair.
record ulit, bago sina Senator Joel at Senator De La Rosa, for the record ulit, General, tinatanong ko lang naman sa inyo, sabihin nyo what she said, what Guo Huaping said. Senator Joel and then Senator De La Rosa.
Very quickly, Madam Chair. General, kanina, binanggit po ninyo, no, yung sa debriefing, hindi nyo ba nga kaya kamong ilabas in public. Ito po ba is the same information na ibinigay sa inyo ni Mary Ann Maslog that led you after knowing na wala pala siyang matutulong dun sa pag-aresto at 2 beses pa siyang nagpunta ng Indonesia, dinala niyo po siya dun sa custodial center, dun sa Krame. Pareho po ba itong information na ito?
Merong nagkapareho, sir. Meron din pong hindi.
Okay, ano yung nagkakapareho?
Sir, as I have said, yung mga information
kahit general lang, kasi it would give us an idea na hindi kayo masyadong nagoyo to the bones kasi hindi namin kayang liripin. Oy, Tagalog ako, taga Bulacan po ako. Hindi namin kayang liripin at hindi namin kayang arukin yung inyong intelligence na 2 beses o yung once nga lang na papapasukin nyo siya doon, sasamahan nyo pa siya. Ang lakas ng loob nyo na gawin yon kasi there must be something. So, it's very irregular So, we wanted to find out what it is. What made you believe na this fugitive will actually be an asset or will actually help your cause, Your Honor, Mr. General?
Yes, Your Honor, please. As much as I want to reveal to you everything, Your Honors.
All right, General. If I may interject po, General, sir, if I may interject. Sige,
yes,
kung ganun pa rin po ang magiging sagot natin. And before I call Senator De La Rosa, akala ko nga, mas marami pa tayong matututunan at this point kay Ms. Maslog kesa kay General. Mas konti pa pala because the single piece of information written here, hindi marami, hindi konti, ay iisa lamang. It's the single word or name na Faildon. Faildon, yun lang. Yun lang. Anong ibig sabihin ng Faildon, Ms. Maslog? Ms. Maslog. Tinatanong na rin ng aking mga colleagues, yun ba yung dating BOC?
Faildon po. Di ko po siya kilala. Faildon lang po.
Bakit nyo sinulat kung hindi mo siya kilala?
Na hindi ko po siya kilala, nabasa ko po yan.
Okay, saan nyo nabasa?
Actually po. Can I talk to my lawyer for a second, Your Honor?
I'm just
You've
asking
been
you why
consulting your lawyer a while ago. Since we were not asking you questions. Kanina ka pa nakikipag-usap sa abogado mo
So why did you write this word, this name, Faildon? Anong ibig sabihin?
I think po, isa lang po yan sa mga names.
Okay.
Po. And, Your Honor, I'm sorry po. I don't think I have the right po. Kasi hindi po ako sure.
No, it's not a matter of
Names, Your
it's
Honor.
true or not. Gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, yung komite magtitimbang niyan. Ang tanong lamang ay anong sinabi? Ano yung sinabi?
Your Honor, I can't. I'm sorry. Your
Why not? Why can't you?
Those are names po that not validated and I'm not
You are
really
not-
sure. Your
Oo,
Honor.
sabi mo nga, they're not validated. Hindi mo naman trabaho ang validation. Tulad ng hindi mo trabaho no na kasama sa operation ng pag-aresto kay Guo Huaping.
Yes, Your Honor. I
Oo.
know that, Your Honor. But these people, Your Honor, are in position and
Why
I
are you
don't-
crying, Miss
kasi
Maslog?
hindi po ako. Your Honor, I can't. Kasi wala po
Madam
ako sa
Chair.
authority, Your Honor.
Madam Chair,
Senator De La Rosa.
sabi mo kayo na nabasa mo. Nabasa mo lang yan. Yung file dun, nabasa mo lang. Saan mo nabasa? Saan mo nabasa?
Doon po sa communication nga po
Anong communication?
between yung certain ALG po.
Certain ALG.
Opo.
So meaning, Alice Go.
I will not, hindi ko po alam. Basta ALG po ang nakasulat.
Hindi mo kaya nabasa yung pangalan na yan doon sa prepared affidavit na gusto mong papirmahan kay Alice Go?
Your Honor, wala po akong papipirmahan kay Alice, Your
Kang
Honor.
magsinungaling. I have iwan information. Alam ko. Kaya sabihin mo na kung sino yung nag-utos sa yung taga Malacanang na papirmahan yung affidavit na yan. Twice ka pumunta doon kay Alice Go para kumbinsihin siya. Sino yung sa Malacanang nag-utos sa'yo?
Your Honor, I did not convince Alice po to sign any document po.
You
Your Honor.
are a liar. You are a liar. Expected naman yan eh. Naisahan mo nga gobyerno how many years ago?
Mr. Chair,
30 years.
Naisahan mo na nga yung gobyerno noon pa. Ngayon pa.
Marian,
Yes, SP pro tempore.
natatakot ka ba sa buhay mo pagka dinivulge mo yung mga pangalan? Namatay ka na dati eh. Di ba? Natatakot ka ba sa buhay mo? Ha? At dinivulge mo yung pangalan. Namatay ka na dati. Oh. Ano? Come on, please divulge all the names that you know. Sige na.
And if I may, SP pro tempore, starting with the word, the name file doon, sa anong konteksto nyo narinig yung pangalan niya?
Actually po, I think si Fael Don was in Bamban.
Mhm.
I think he lived in Bamban.
Mhm.
And apparently po, Mr. Fael Don and I think his wife also, nandoon po sila sa Bamban.
Mhm.
And ito po, this information actually, in fairness din po, na-mention din po sa akin ni Miss Alex.
Okay.
They were invited to go to Davao.
Mhm.
Madam Chair,
Motorcycle.
SP pro tempore.
I see Alice Go in
Sandali lang.
disbelief.
Yeah, Madam Chair,
So
perhaps
could
we can
we ask, yes, as SP pro tempore is indicating and the majority leader has asked,
yes, aside from
Guo
official
Huaping.
response, verbal response
Is it
would
true
probably be
that you
needed.
mentioned the name of Fildon?
Madam Chair, ganun po yun. Meron pong isang picture po with the former president po and me, nag-group po na circulating before Yan po yung kinukwento ko. Yan yung isa rin po na pagkwentuhan po namin.
Mhm.
That's my first time po nakita ko po ang former president. Doon sa group picture niyan na circulating, that was the first time po na nakita ko po siya. Doon naman po siya na-mention po ni ni Ma'am kanina.
Maslog.
Maslog. Kanina naman po na regarding po kay Mr. Nick Faldon naman po.
Mm,
Mr.
so
Nick Faldon naman
ito.
po talaga nasa Bamban. Meron po
Mm.
siyang goat farm po sa Bamban.
Goat farm.
Yes po, goat farm.
So kayo may babuyan, siya naman kambingan.
Wala naman po kami any transaction pero may goat farm lang po.
Goat farm.
May goat farm lang po siya sa Bamban.
Okay.
Yan lang po.
Madam Chair,
Okay. Senator De La Rosa.
Yeah. Can I confirm from Alice Go? Yung tanong ko kanina, meron akong A1 information na natanggap about that affidavit na dala-dala ni Maslog. Meron akong informasyon. Confirm or deny lang from you. Hindi kita pinupirsang sagutin. You can ask the advice of your lawyer. Pero, tinatanong ko lang para mabigyan ng katuturan itong lahat ng sinasabi.
Madam Chair, doon sa question po sa akin ni Sen Bato po, I remain silent po. At meron pa po akong kadagdagan po na answer po pala doon sa na-mention po ni Ma'am Maslog kanina na invitation ng Davao. I just want to clarify. Wala pong nangyaring invitation po ng Davao. Wala po akong kakilala. At yung picture na yon ay nag-iisang picture lang po yon, July 22 to be exact, 2022. Hindi na po presidente si former president that time. Doon sa group picture po, I think and I believe po na circulate naman po talaga siya. Kumalat po siya sa social media pero that was my first time po na nakita ko po siya. Hindi po, si former president po.
Okay.
Before we continue, I will call Senator Sherwin next. Before we continue, just to inform my colleagues, unfortunately, I need to go up to my office now before 5:30. So, gusto ba ng komite magpatuloy? In which case, I will ask Senator Sherwin to chair in my stead. So, I'd like to continue.
Yes, Madam Chair. If
All
you
right.
can, please.
Thank you very much, dear colleagues, and sa lahat ng resource persons. So at this point, I will hand over the chair to Senator Sherwin.
Mr.
Maraming
Chair.
salamat, Sen. Sherwin.
Sir Chair,
Go ahead.
can I go back one question to General Macapas?
Yeah, Senator Bato and then
General
Senator-
Macapas? General Macapas? General Macapas? Wala na.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, good afternoon, sir. Your Honor, sir.
Yeah, paano sabi mo kanina ito si Mary Ann Maslog nag-volunteer sa iyo na information. Paano siya nakapunta sa iyo? Dumirita lang siya doon sa opisina mo, may nagdala sa kanya o sino nag-introduce sa kanya sa iyo?
As I have said earlier, Your Honor, nakilala ko po si Ma'am Jessica kasi ang pakilala ko sa kanya, sir. During the time na saya pa lang ako ng DCO. So from there, minsan nagtitext na siya sa akin tapos nagbibigay ng information.
Kaya nga, paano mo siya nakilala? Tinatanong ko, the circumstances behind, paano mo siya nakilala?
Bumisita po kasi siya minsan, sir, nung boss ko dati, nung nasa DCO pa po ako. Ako po ang saya, kaya ako ang nag-entertain sa kanya. Dahil wala po
So,
yung...
kayo first nagkakilala.
Opo. Year 2022.
Sino yung boss mo?
Si, sir, Police Lieutenant General Benjamin Santos, sir.
Benjamin Santos.
Yes, sir.
So pagdating dito kay Alice Go, siya mismo pumunta sa iyo about Alice Go?
If I recall it right, sir, ano lang yun, sir? Parang tawagan lang namin, sir, na nabanggit niya na may access siya kay Alice. So, through Attorney David, nakausapin namin. So kinagat ko yung informasyon na yun, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, General Macapas. That
Yes, sir.
would be all,
Mr. Chair,
Sen-
if I may.
yes, President Pro Tempore.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mary Ann, alam mong wanted ka rito sa Pilipinas, di ba? Kaso ka.
Your Honor, that case is still in Sandigan Bayan po.
Yes.
Your Honor.
Di ba, nagpanggap kang namatay, kaya nawala yung kaso. Pero alam mo may kaso ka. May pending case ka. Na hinahanap ka ng otoridad.
It is still in Sandigan.
No, I'm asking you if you know that you have a case.
Your Honor, the case is still in Sandigan
All right.
Bayan.
Oh, di
Sir,
meron
refuse
kang
to
kaso.
answer po.
Okay. Nung pumunta ka sa Indonesia, anong passport ang gamit mo?
My name po, Jessica Francisco po.
Is that your real name?
I am Jessica Francisco.
You are not Marian Maslog?
Your Honor, there is a case about my identity
I'm
po, Your
asking you,
Honor.
what is your real name?
I am Jessica Francisco po.
Can you produce us your birth certificate that you're indeed Jessica Francisco?
I don't have it with me, Your Honor.
But you have a birth certificate
Yes, Your Honor.
indicating that you're the real Jessica Francisco?
Yes, Your Honor.
Who is this Marian Maslog?
Like what I said, Your Honor. I
Who is
refuse-
Marian Maslog?
There
Di
is
ba
a
ikaw to?
case.
When you were still 30 pounds lighter? Ikaw ba to? And you were trying to bribe officials in Malacanang during the term of my father? Because of that textbook scam? Says here, your bag woman, Mary Ann Maslog. Photographed here on March 9, 1999. Ikaw ba to?
There is a pending case,
Ikaw
Your
ba
Honor.
ito? That's not related to your case. I'm asking you kung ikaw to. If this is you.
Your Honor, there is a pending.
If this is you.
I cannot say, Your Honor.
Oh, padala mo, baka malabo mata. Page, padala mo sa kanya.
Passport ang gamit mo. Anong bansa?
Philippine passport po.
Philippine passport ang gamit mo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Isa lang ba ang passport mo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Wala ka ng ibang passport?
Wala po, Your Honor.
May Philippine birth certificate ka?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, nandito taga DFA. Can you please check attorney? Okay, Director, kung anong ginamit na passport nitong si Marian Maslog, tsaka sa BI, Attorney Viado, can you please check or verify anong passport ang ginamit nitong babae ito? Yes, please.
We will check.
What is your middle initial? Huh?
Sese, Your Honor.
Sese.
Yes, Your
Pwede po pa-flash ano?
Yes, sa COMSEC.
Sa COMSEC. Okay, we will flash your your passport. Who is any representative from the NBI? All right. Meron na ba kayo resulta dyan na si Marian Maslog at si Jessica Francisco ay isang tao lang?
Based on the fingerprint examination conducted, sir,
Yes.
in the files that she has with the NBI and a filed before, fingerprint filed before the courts, it was proven that the fingerprint belonged to one and the same person.
Di nagsisinungaling to. What's the name of your father?
David Francisco po.
Mother?
Corazon Cese po. Salvador.
Can you verify this, please? Anybody from the PSA?
Anyone from the PSA, please send us the birth certificate. Pakipadala na lang sa amin.
Where were you born?
I was born in Quezon City po.
Quezon City? And Comsec, pwedeng pa-check sa civil registry if indeed there is a Jessica Francisco who was born on, what's your birthday?
December 30, 1985.
December 30, 1985. So how old are you now? Alam mo, ikaw napakasinungaling mo 1985 ka pinanganak. Nasaan yung litrato? 1999, nagninegosyo ka na. 14 anyos ka? 14 anyos ka? Ha? Nasaan yung litrato? Alam mo, wag mo kaming lokohin dito Ako ngahingil ako tumayo dahil 1999, nagninegosyo ka na, nagkaroon ka na ng scam. 14 anyos, nagnanakaw ka na. Oh, 1999, may textbook scam ka na. Ano nakalagay dyan, 1985? Ano, 14 years old? Minor de edad? May pinatawag ka na ng house? Oh? Nagninegosyo ka na? Ano?
I invoke my right, sir, to remain silent because there is a case po in Sandigan which will
No.
be taken on October
Alam mo,
28.
Alam mo, ikaw na siguro ang reyna ng mga kasinungalingan Imagine, ngayon ko lang napagtanto. 1985 ka pinanganak. Mukha mo ba yan? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
Oh, assuming that is true, your passport is true. Driver's license ba? Passport, your passport. Ilan taon ka na ngayon?
Going 39 po.
39. 1999, 14 years old nga. God damn it, you're a pathological liar. Sinungaling ka talaga, Pero, saan ka kumuha passport?
In DFA po.
Saan branch?
Kalasyaw po.
Kalasyaw.
Yes.
Ano ba requirements when you obtain a passport? Birth certificate?
Birth certificate and valid ID. For
and
first time.
valid ID
For a
for
first
first timer. Is
Renewal-
this your first passport?
Yes, Your Honor.
Wala ba siyang passport na Mary Ann Maslog
We are double checked.
right now?
Yes.
Okay.
Malamang Senator Jinggoy peke ang birth certificate niyan. The same case as what we saw with Go Huaping and yung mga pekeng birth certificate na ini-issue. Malamang malaking tsansa na peke rin yung birth certificate niya to assume a different identity.
Mhm. Meron nakapunta ka na sa Amerika?
Sir, I invoke my right po to
Bakit?
kasi
Ba't
po
mo ini-invoke?
there is a
Tinatanong
case
ko na kung nakapunta ka na sa Amerika, ano masama doon?
there is a case po kasi about my identity sa Sandigan Bayan po.
Hmm?
So I invoke my right to keep silent.
Ang tinatanong ko lang kung nakapunta ka na sa Amerika, is that incriminating? I don't think that is an incriminating question. Oh,
There is a case po regarding by bench warrant on the 28th to prove my identity po. So I invoke my right to keep silent, sir.
Do you have a case in the United States? Do you have a case in the United States?
No, Your Honor.
Really?
Yes,
Now
Your
I will read to you. Former textbook agent Mary Ann Maslog, who tried bribing officials of the DBM in 1999 so that her firm could wangle a 200 million textbook contract, is now Mary Ann Smith, married to an American who allegedly became her partner in crime. Court records show in Orange County, Florida, that Maslog is wanted for theft and scheme to defraud. She is facing charges of grand theft amounting to more than $100,000 and scheme to defraud in the amount of $50,000, which are classified as criminal felonies punishable with imprisonment. Maslog also has been charged with civil traffic infraction for proper backing. May kaso ka pala sa Amerika.
I don't have a case in America, Your Honor.
Really?
Yes, Your Honor.
When was the last time you went to the United States?
Like what I said, Your Honor, I invoke my right.
Sinasabi mo wala kang case. Ngayon tinatanong ko kung kailan ka pumunta, ay mo sumagot.
I
Bakit ito sinagot mo?
I refuse to answer, Your Honor. I invoke the right to keep silent because of the case in Sandigan Bayan.
Mr. NBI, Mr. Agent, pwede bang ikulong na lang dito yan? We'll just make representations with the NBI.
Sir, she has a commitment order with the from the Sandigan Bayan.
All right.
Madam Chair, Mr.
Madam.
Chair, sorry. Ang hirap ng walang kain the whole day. Mr. Chairman, with the indulgence of our Senate President Pro Temp, I think we are wasting our time with this pathological liar. Wala na pong kaso sa Pilipinas na hindi na check. Lahat ng kaso kinaso na sa kanya. May check na ho lahat. So can we proceed if I can appeal to the members and the chair so we can proceed to other matters, Your Honors, Mr. Chairman.
I
submit.
I share the same sentiment na to our colleagues, Senator Francis, Senator Joel, and Senator Jinggoy, na professional con artist tong kaharap natin at wala tayong makukuhang tama at totoong sagot dito sa taong to. Magsisinungaling lang sa buong gabi at lolokohin lang niya tayo buong gabi at wala naman siyang naibibigay na produktibong sagot para sa atin. So
Can I?
yeah,
Mr. Chair? Yeah, thank you.